So I'm about to close one of my biggest deals in my entire life. And it's the next step of my new agency. It's a new step in my life. It's a new chapter in my life. And I don't know if I'm sharing this in a combination of multiple videos, because currently I'm just recording my thoughts and want to give this as a raw version, because I would wish that I had somebody I could consume something like this. And now I just give it to you guys. I still have my marketing agency, but I'm switching towards a different industry, but it's still an agency. And I'm currently experiencing kind of the same thing. So it's obviously normal when you're entering again a new level, a new chapter. I'm a bit sweaty, but because I just came out of the sauna, I was just showering myself. And I'm kind of entering a new level. And therefore I have like these thoughts, like I remember when the first time I closed my first $30 per clip. I was doing video editing back in the days. And then I had a client and I closed him for $30 per video, and I made like per week, because I did like 2-3 videos. And I eventually made my first couple €100 actually per month by just video editing. And then I had the first client where I made my first couple of grand, and then I made like €6,000 from one client, and he flew me in, and stuff like this happened. And then I signed a contract over, I think it was now, 20,000. I was like, wow, what's going on? And now I have even a bigger number, and not on a longer period of time, but just like higher number, shorter time. And I'm kind of entering this new level with kind of the same thoughts. Hey, will this close? Hey, like the thoughts were coming like boom, 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 like this. And I was like just going to the gym, and then I went to the sauna, 30 minutes without any, like just sitting and doing nothing. Literally 30 minutes, no, like just the thoughts and just like nothing else. Now I just sat down, I took my notebook, and then I just wrote down what is the most important right now. Now I have just the thing I'm sticking to. When you ask, or this is how I do it, when I'm asking myself very, very strict questions, for example, what is the most important right now? What do I want to build? Which tasks make me the most money right now? What is the most important today? My everyday non-negotiable. And when you just answer them without any task system and just write the most important things down, then you know what's the most important. And you just have the signal, and the noise goes away, and you just do these things and you just stick to it. And that's it. And then I also realized that the noise of, will this close? Oh, they're not answering for a couple of days. Oh, here and there. Just leave it. I just left it. Just do the things to close the deal. Like, just do the things which matter, and just go somewhere. Sit down for 30 minutes straight and just do nothing. And this is your own kind of therapy session where you clean kind of and reset. And then you just take a notebook and a pen or a blank sheet of paper, and you just write down what is the most important right now. What makes me the most amount of money right now? When you're into business, what I assume, because I want to share my entrepreneur journey here right now on this channel. And therefore, write these things down and just do them. And if you want to learn how to scale your agency past $10,000 and close $10,000, $20,000 deals, I consolidate all of my knowledge and I just put it into a platform. And additionally, very, very important, this is what I bought myself also into when I was 18 years old. One-on-one access towards people who were just ahead, and where I saw as well on YouTube, hey, whatever they're doing right now, this is amazing. I want to learn from these people. Let me exchange money towards life experiences and failure, whatever they did. And they just gave me their experience, and this let me grow so much. And therefore, I'm also consolidating all of my knowledge, putting it into one spot. You can check out the first link in the description, where you can see what we do, what we teach, and how we can help you, if we can help you. If yes, if you're in the agency space, probably we can help you. Then you can book a call down there. And we see each other in the next video. Bye-bye.